This 1 Degree Outside video is brought to you by Fiesta Shows.
This holiday season, experience the magic of the celebration of lights. Drive through over a mile of glittering road transformed into a wonderland of color with more than 1 million LED lights in the Merrimack Valley, South Shore, Central Mass, and Maine. Now through January 3rd, save on tickets and enter to win at fiesta.1degreeoutside.com.
Wednesday Noyes notes and 1 degree outside today. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. Busy travel day, and yes, there's some wet weather to contend with. Pockets of rain, some scattered showers, so some wet roads and wipers necessary at times. Nothing we can't handle. Mild air in place today too will be replaced with a cool seasonable feel for Thanksgiving. Blustery Friday into Saturday with feels like temperatures only in the 20s to low 30s and some snowflakes around as well, accumulating in the mountains. More on that in midweek insights with the snow accumulation map and all the details you need to make your plans through the upcoming holiday weekend. Now, if you are on the road or staying close to home, you've got us 24/7 on our streaming network, and there are 3 ways to watch. On your smart TV, open up the YouTube app and search 1 Degree Outside Network. You can watch us that way, always at 1degreeoutside.live. And you can just tap the home screen of our app as well to watch the 24/7 stream. Of course, the videos are right below that, the hourly, the 14-day, the interactive radar, and you can set multiple locations. If you're traveling for the holidays, nickname them in there, pinpoint your exact spot. Best part, our app's free, and it's got thousands of 5-star reviews. Give it a try. Search 1 Degree Outside Weather in the App Store and Google Play. All right, let's start across the country on this Wednesday. The national look, high pressure building through the Central Plains. We've got low pressure with areas of snow from the Midwest down to the Great Lakes and a gusty wind dragging in colder air behind it. Ahead of it, it's mild, and that's what we have in New England, but that cold front is going to sweep through. So ahead of it, yes, there will be some scattered showers, even a few downpours. An isolated rumble of thunder can't be ruled out. In the Pacific Northwest, the next approaching system will spread areas of rain in and some intermountain snow. High temperatures, coldest from the northern plains stretching into the Midwest, where highs are only going to be in the 20s and 30s, 40s all the way back down to portions of the Central Plains. So it's a cooler than average country overall. The warmest spots really up and down the eastern seaboard ahead of that cold front that will sweep through. So for us here at home, there are some patchy areas of fog and some showers around. The kids may want a hoodie to pop up this morning, but notice it's relatively mild for recess, bus ride home. No, a lot of kids either maybe have a half day or some don't even have school today. But that being said, short sleeves are okay today. Pockets of rain and some downpours will linger over the course of this morning to midday. Notice they are very scattered though, so they'll be hit or miss, they'll come and go. A few deeper greens and yellows in here, though, do indicate to me that there will be some that contain a brief heavy downpour as they come on by. Notice some this evening between about 7 and 10 p.m. coming into Vermont that may actually mix with some wet snowflakes after midnight tonight in far northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, and into northwestern Maine too. A flurry may extend farther south than that, right around or just after midnight, but in general, it's clearing skies and a bright start to our Thanksgiving. So how much rain? In most areas, it's 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, although in far southern New England, there are some signs that we may get over an inch, a few localized spots where some of the downpours come down. So just keep in mind, yes, there will be wet roads, there'll be some puddles out there, road spray kick up, reduced visibility at times. So take it slow out there. High temperatures either side of about 60 degrees, so an above average day for most areas, extending all the way back up into northern New England, where it is admittedly a little bit cooler, but running near or just shy of 50 degrees in the far north country today. The cool spot will be across northern Maine, where we're in the upper 30s compared to 40s to lower 50s the farther south you come across the Pine Tree State. Overnight tonight, we drop back into the 30s to lower 40s. The only spots that may dip below freezing are in far western and northern New England. So an isolated slick spot or two, though the wind does dry us out pretty nicely. Meanwhile, I want to give a shout out to the Woodville School in Wakefield, Massachusetts. The entire school, over 400 students I met from pre-K up to 4th grade. We had so much fun talking all about meteorology and science. They had some great questions specifically about tornadoes and hurricanes and storm safety. Happy Thanksgiving, kiddos. Big shout out to the teachers too. If you would like an enrichment program, reach out to us. We are booking through the end of the school year now. schools.1degreeoutside.com. We've got a form right on there. You fill out, we'll get back to you within 24 hours.